Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn what it takes for a logarithm to be defined. So let me state the general rule here for log base a to y to be defined. Okay, the first rule is that y must be greater than 0. Alright, so we are dealing with positive numbers here. Okay, and the second rule is a has to be greater than 0 and a cannot be equal to 1. Alright, so these are the rules for log a y to be defined. Now any other than that, log base a to y would not be defined. Another point you have to note is log a okay is equals to 1. Okay, remember that. Okay, log a is equals to 1. Remember this. Okay, the third thing you have got to remember before I go on to the lesson on laws of logarithm is log base a to 1 is equals to 0. Log, okay, to any base, okay, to 1 is equals to 0. Remember that. Okay, so these are the few things that you have to remember. So let me just reiterate the last point. Log base a to 1 is equal to 0. Alright.